folks, it's me again. Before you do anything, click the like button, subscribe, all that kind of fun stuff, and doodle whatever. With that said, what's new this week? I have sent parts to Powder Coat. Yeah, Powder Coat. That means I'll be starting to put a bike back together. Even though I didn't send these because I had to take these things. I didn't send these two things, which will probably stop me from putting it back together because I take the bearings out. And I wasn't sure how to do it until I found a big giant piece of aluminum and popped them right up. Came out. Very nice. See? Two bearings. This is a double bearing. So anyway, with that said, popped bearings out. I'll probably drop that off this week. What else? I got front rack powder coated. I got a triple tree. Sent the triple tree, a front rack, the headlight cage, the wiring harness holder, and the whole back swing arm. So it means I need to get my rear swing arm disconnected, cleaned up. I'm going to be ordering some rear axle bearings, some rear swing arm bearings, and some brand new pivot bolts because the ones I have are terrible. They work great, but I would like some nice new ones because the ones I have just completely suck. So I also need to order what else? A couple of some brakes and something else. For the little bike, I haven't sent the bike to get powder coated because I need to make a where is it? I need to make a bracket and see if this thing works. And, well, first I had to cut this off. I need to make a bracket to, I'm guessing, put it on somehow like this. I don't know. Or I'm just going to frickin', what do you call it? Put a hose clamp on it and figure it out later. But, what'd I say? So that's for the little, I'm doing an ATC 70. I'm trying to get that one rolling it out of here so I can do it a little at a time. The gas tank work I'll be doing soon. It's getting warmer, less condensation. So I'll probably, actually, I'm going to get the, what was it, May? Right now it's April. The weekend of May 3rd, which is like 3 weeks from now, I think. 2 weeks, I don't know what it is. I'm going to pick up the tin for my shed roof, so once I put the tin roof back on, if I don't fall off the shed, I will be putting this bike in the shed. It'll give me room to work on this one. I'm going to evaporust that tank, probably just, I don't know, I might just clear coat it, whatever. Put it back together, possibly put the original fenders back on for now. I have the seat rubber, and I'm waiting for the seat cover. I have the pan, and tonight I'm probably going to clean out behind my bench, or tomorrow or this week, because I need to move this welder over there close enough to the door so I can get to actually use it. And I'm going to tack weld the seat pan, tackle my sandblaster, and possibly make a new bracket for the what do you call it, coil. I probably should just not even put the coil on there because it's not an original bike, so what the hell's the point? With that said, I got a bunch of work doing. I don't know what else, but I'm excited. I got powder coat. Yeah, I got 2 frames over there, and the problem is I don't know where I'm going to put them now. I got one rolling frame. I'm thinking of just, because the mule is about a 4x8 like deck, I'm thinking of putting it together on the mule. Getting it off there might be a problem. Also, I'm not doing a perfect job on the engine, so I gotta find me, I think, which one's an 86 engine. I think it's in my garage. I'm not sure. So, that could be a problem. I'm guessing I could put an 85 engine in it, but I'm not sure. Why would I transplant? But I don't know. I think I have an 86 engine somewhere. I think. Not sure. What else? I think that's it. I don't have any tool reviews or anything. Just me plopping out freaking videos and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned and sorry about the yawning. And I will be doing some work, moving shit around. and I haven't decided how I want to. I'm not even sure how this is supposed to fit. I have the bike here, and I have to do a spot weld at the back, so I got to move the welder and get the welder working. There's where I I banged the dent out of the frame, and as I was bending it, it pulled a piece of the metal and caused a crack in the sheet metal. So I got to put a tack on it and just give it a little grind. But for the most part, it looks pretty good. I'm also ordering some Honda bolts for random bikes because I know I'm gonna need some bolts. With that said, I'll quit boring you. If you'd like, subscribe, tell me what you got to do, and thanks for watching.